Did you know you can save and invest back home while working in the diaspora? Well, K-Unity Sacco, a licensed deposit-taking Sacco, can help you achieve that dream. My name is Njoroge, your financial services partner who can help you realize your dreams of investing while working in the diaspora. So who is K-Unity Sacco? K-Unity Sacco is a first-tier licensed deposit-taking Sacco established in 1974. We just celebrated its 50th anniversary last year in November. The Sacco is also the only Sacco in Kenya that is accredited as a super brand due to its superior product offerings in the market. The Sacco has a membership of 170,000 members spread across 5 counties in Kenya and in our diaspora market. Our diaspora market has a presence in every continent, and in the United States of America, we have a footprint in all states and mainly concentrated in Seattle and Boston. So why K-Unity? K-Unity has superior products, and one of those products is our share, which has consistently given a return of 10% over the years, which has been enjoyed by our diaspora members. In addition to that, we have our Jijenge product. In our Jijenge product, you can be able to enjoy a return of 9% on the savings that you have in your account. And in addition, you can be able to enjoy borrowing up to 5 times the amount of savings that you have. The other product that you can enjoy is our asset finance product, whereby we can be able to finance you up to 80% of the value of the motor vehicle that you want to invest in. All our products, you don't have to worry about guarantors because the collateral that you want to invest in acts as a security during on lending. Lastly, the Sacco has had partnerships with several contractors in the market, whereby our diaspora members have enjoyed assurance of buildings that they are doing back home. In this partnership, what we do in the contractual agreement, we disburse the first tranche of funds on groundbreaking. The second tranche of funds we disburse is when we have a gray box, and the third tranche of funds we do is when we have the completion certificate. In all these circumstances, what it does to our members is that it gives them an assurance that the investments they are doing back home in terms of building are actually happening. They actually receive valuation reports on the progress that they have done, and this enables them have an assurance that the buildings they are doing back home are actually on the ground happening. Well, that's just a brief overview of K-Unity and its product offering for the diaspora market. To know more, join me on a one-on-one session in Texas on the 10th to 19th of August. For more information, check our website and social media platforms, links in the description below.